How's it going, everyone? In today's video, let's fix the simple voice chat for Aternos. Of course, this is going to be the main dashboard of Aternos. And basically inside, the first thing that you want to do is to navigate through plugins and then search for this simple voice. Hit on enter, and then it's going to be most likely the first one right here. The simple voice chat, just click on it. It will then show all of the available versions for our server. So most likely you want to get the latest one, and right after it's checked, it means that we have successfully downloaded the version. Let's navigate back to our server. You then want to turn on your server, making sure that the server is calibrated with the new plugin. So just click on the start button, click yes, I accept, and then you want to wait for the server to finally start up. From there, let's navigate through our server files. Inside files, click on the plugins option. And then if you have successfully installed your voice chat, this folder will then appear right here. So click on the voice chat option, select voice chat server properties, and then you want to navigate through line 9, which in our case, it's going to be the port 24456. You simply want to change this into -1. So that's it. Click on save, and that should help you fix the problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.